try to kick it, like just I know you want to. Sometimes you gotta talk dirty to the charts, you know. I hate doing minis, but not gonna over leverage and lose that bet. Oh yeah, trust me. Like with the Nas Mini, I've taken $100 to four figures like multiple times. It may have taken a few weeks. It's not gonna happen overnight, but yeah, it's definitely it's doable.
I'm
It,
in the sell on the mini NAS right now.
oh, nice.
Uh,
And you still didn't drop the markup. Crazy, crazy work. I'm gonna sell. I'm 100 points in profit, but yeah, no markup. The gate has been
you waiting
kept.
for the buys.
Well, it's not. It's not
You
me.
know,
It's not for me. It's for everyone else. I know Brandon likes to
right.
sell. I know Alex likes to sell. There's like at least
I
5, 10 people in there selling.
I've been marking up the previous days and previous day high and lows,
Yeah.
and then I mark up the 15-minute 5 o'clock candle, and typically whichever side it goes to, it's going to come back and retest and go down or up, right? If it breaks the high structure on the 15 minute, then wait for the retest for buys. If it goes down, it breaks the down structure, then it'll come back retest and be a sell. And I've been back testing and it's working. US 30 is a little weird. It doesn't hit all the time. But NASDAQ, I mean, every 5 o'clock, 15 minute, it basically reacts that way.
Why do you go
Um,
specifically for the 5 o'clock candle?
I mean, I saw like 3 people talking about it, and it's like the opening of the morning, and it's like this beginner traders, strategy. And I went back tested it, and it just they were accurate, and so I just kept doing it. And yesterday I made money on it. Today I'm up again on it, but I'm in US 30 mini too now. Sometimes you might want to catch the high uh, structure and do it on the lower one with US 30, but I'm in there right now.
Clean.
Then, yeah. And then it gives you like an area of structure, like kind of a starting point of the day.
Mm. Okay. Solid. Yeah, there's so many strategies out there, and things that people use, and it all does work. Just it all at the end of the day, like the trades just really come down to your risk management, trade management, and your
Right.
mindset. But
And it's all based around Wyckoff and what you taught, but just adding like layers to it.
that's good. You should probably like kind of like walk us through it one of these days. Like share the screen and kind of like walk us through what you have going on. Share some of the insights.
Right. Because my whole goal is really to you know, to set something up in the morning and then do my day job, and not have to watch it all day, but it's also about like setting, you know,
Yeah.
you
Yep.
take profits in the right position so you're not chasing it. Because
Exactly.
I did like it went the right direction yesterday and it didn't hit my take profit, then it reversed, and then I moved my stop loss too choked it up too much and got pushed out, but I did make money on it.
Mm.
I came back in, doing silly stuff, not making a stop or a TP. I was up watching it, then got on a phone call from work, came back, hit my stop loss. I'm like, damn.
Damn. I hate that. I hate
Right.
that.
Oh
Man.
man. Let me take a break. Like, stop trying to chase it.
Sheesh.
But if I make $300 by 9 o'clock every day, I'm cool.
That's a blessing. 300. That's like someone's full daily pay.
Right.
you know.
I basically made 300 yesterday and then lost it. I was like, because I wasn't paying attention for work.
Mm.
Golly.
Yeah,
They worked on S&P 500 real clean. US 30 is toxic, but Nas, I mean, like clockwork.
yeah.
The way it breaks, it's gonna go that way for the rest of the decade.
Oh, sheesh.
Oh,
Golly.
right,
Talk dirty to
crazy,
me.
right? Sheesh.
Gosh. I want to see a structure break and close above. Golly. Bruh. Stood on business. I might break my leg standing on business this year. No cap. No cap. Let's see. Sometimes like the end of an hour candle or the beginning, like that shit's crazy. Oof. Didn't quite close above. We did sweep. A lot of if you are in this trade, most people did partial out. Let me go ahead and move my stop loss to break even at least somewhat in profit, you know. Cuz this could be the start of the accumulation that we need if we do get that break. All right, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Is this the sweep that takes us to break the structure and then continue higher? That's what I'm waiting on. So I'm very curious to see what's happening here. We may even retest this structure. This we have a huge imbalance. Prices can even come back down here to retest and then continue. But yeah, we need that full body candle close. Otherwise, we just swept liquidity to continue the reversal. But I believe in the bullishness. And I'm targeting these highs right there. Mm-hmm. When it moves fast like that, you know, more than likely, like a lot of people were probably in this trade, like, so they definitely took some partials out. They probably had fat leverage lot sizes in there. They're like, oh, let me secure this shit now. You missed my alert, man. See, that's why I have the trade right here, so you just see it. I'm not sure if you guys can see my entry, if it shows it, because I know when I screenshot it, it doesn't show the it doesn't show this. I'm not sure if y'all can actually see this. Just so you can like, oh well, he's in there, I'm in there. If he's getting cooked, I'm getting cooked. No, I'm kidding. We win together, we lose together. If you take the trade. Come on now. I'm gonna wait like another 5, maybe until the 15-minute candle closes, or until we get this close. And once we get that close above, then I'll be good to go. I'm gonna move my stop loss like beneath these lows, because that'll be the next swing low prior to breaking structure. So that should be a protected low at that point. But the 5-minute candle's about to close. It would be nice to get it on the 5-minute, and then after that, I want to see the 15-minute close as well, and then the 30-minute. Similar to yesterday, over here, we closed above on the 1 hour above these highs, but then we immediately closed back below. But on the 4 hour, no, you gonna do me like that on a live session? That's crazy. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. Shame. Well, the 4 hour didn't close above. It's just wicks. That's crazy. You don't want me to show? I got something for that ass. Sure. Nice try. Nice try. On this broker, it looks like it did close, but if I go to, let me delete all this because this is insane. On this broker, it did not. It's these same highs here, and we just wicked. We just wicked above. So let's go. Five-minute didn't quite do it either. But I'll settle for a 1 minute for now. Maybe like two. If I see two back-to-back candles of 1 minute standing on business above highs after breaking and closing, then I will be satisfied to move my stop loss to the previous swing low and then allow this to play out. And then even if you close above these highs too, that's even more confirmation. For the sellers, if you ever want to sell NAS, it's always best to sell it after we sweep liquidity. As we saw here, we swept above and then it reversed a nice, 80 points very quickly. Very, very minimal drawdown. Like you risk 20 to make 80. That's a 1 to 4. Done. All right, this does look pretty good. There's 40 seconds left on the candle. I'm just going to go ahead and move it beneath here. Boom. So I'm satisfied with that. Take profit is still at the same place. So yeah, I'm satisfied with this for now. Anything can happen. Price can easily reverse back down, but keep in mind the actual stop loss for this trade is at these lows here because this is the accumulation. Let me go back to like the 15-minute. This is still the accumulation here. We have the low, the high, the sweep, break above. We got a nice retest, and then price played around like it's a fucking picnic, and then came right back down to the same area, swept some previous lows, and now it's working its way up. So yeah, keep that in mind. But that's gonna be essentially it for me. You guys have any questions before I let you get back to it? Drop a 1 in the chat if you actually caught this trade and made some money, and drop a 2 in the chat if you observed and maybe just watched and you got some value from that. Got you. But yeah, I'll let you guys get back to it and enjoy your day. I'll see you guys in the chat. Let's run it up.